you. So put your love and hands out, darling. Right tonight, when I was king, I play guitar and fast 'cause I had everything. I walk away, but you want me down. But easy come and easy go, when it all ends up, you enter my feet, you let me go. Yeah, enter my feet, you get me now. Enter my sea, you let me know. Better plan and see, just let me grow. I'm on my knees, well I'm begging, 'cause I don't want to lose you. Hey, 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 da, 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 da. I'm begging.
Mantap.
You and put your love in hands out, baby. I'm begging you and put your love in hands out, darling. I need you to understand.
Keren
It's
asli.
so hard to be your man, the kind of man you wanting me out. Only then can I begin to live again. And now this end I used to be, the shadow of my life was hanging over me. A broken man that I don't know would even stand the devil's hand to win my soul. I'm begging you and put your love in hands out, baby. I'm begging you and put your love in hands out, darling.
Kasih bang, suaranya keren banget. Asal dari mana bang? Asalnya dari mana?
Asalnya dari Pangandaran, tapi asal aslinya dari NTT Kupang.
Dari NTT Kupang. Semangat bang, suaranya bagus loh. Padahal ikut X Factor atau Indonesian Idol gitu.
Nah, puji Tuhan, mudah-mudahan nanti kalau ada lagi pasti.
Siap.
Siap.
Sukses terus bang ya.
Siap.
Bentar saya ambil uangnya dulu ya.
Siap-siap.